So it says here checkpoint 3 is to do the roof. However, if you put a roof on the structure, you won't be able to see inside to bring your furniture in. Because having the whole roof covered up and having a small door to slide a couch in and move it is difficult. So I'm going to kind of flip-flop the order of things, and I'm going to do the furnishing, decorating, and painting for checkpoint 3, and then I'll run back and do this one here for my next one. So I'm going to do this one here first. So I have my 6 by 12 by 6 shelter, 3.5 inch thick walls, 3-inch thick slab. Added my doors. I went with a 4-foot door for big items to be brought in and out of, a big couch, 3-wheeler, 4-wheeler, whatever I'm going to put inside of my shed here, shelter. Windows are put in, same height throughout. I went 5 feet up, 5 feet up, 5 feet up, and I used that midline line and that glass paint. So you can see in and we can see out. Okay, to decorate. First figure out what you want to put in your space here. I didn't leave much room for like a wall for a TV. Oh well. I could, I suppose, shrink this wall down and put a TV in this back wall. It might be as easy, it might not be as easy as to, oh, maybe it'll be pretty easy. Let's say I only want to have a 1 foot tall wall, a foot up 12 inches. Just seeing how what happened here. Orbit to the inside. Shoot over here. Push, pull. Maybe I can. Never mind. So I go this one here up that same 12 inch. Huh. Hold on. Now watch. Orbit. The same height, but smaller window. I can now put a TV in this back wall. Alright, good. Let's find a TV. I'm not going to draw a TV. We're going to use this thing here called a 3D warehouse. Over my toolbars, I have one called Components. Components. And it says 3D warehouse. I'm going to search the 3D warehouse. I'm going to type in flat screen TV and search. Aha, I have some. So someone drew this here and posted them online for us to use. Some may work, some may not work, some may be too big, too small, too awkward, whatever. So I like the one that's kind of on the wall. And so far we have, oh, there's 63 pages of TVs. Wow. I'm going to pick one to speed this whole video up, this flat screen. Click on it, and it should bring it into my drawing. There it is. Wait for it. There it is. Okay. So now I'm going to just want to get it on this wall somehow. But here's the tricky part. I got to first, it's difficult to find the spot on the wall. So I'm going to park it out here for now. It's going to park it somewhere over here. Over orbit. I'm going to see what's going on with my TV over here. Okay, the flat screen. See these little these anchor points? Got an anchor point here, an anchor point there. So I'm gonna have this anchor on my wall, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of take this wall here, and think of it like if you're like in a Mr. Palashewski's plays. He may on the ground on the stage make little tape marks, so you know where to stand when you're doing your acting. So I'm going to mark the floor so you know where to stand, right? I'm going to mark the wall so you know where to hang it. I want my TV to be real close up here, so maybe I'm going to come down about 6 inches, all right? And then I might want, not knowing how big it is, I'll kind of try to figure out how it's going to work. So I need to do some kind of be creative here. I want to grab the TV from the middle of the back and park it on this line, somewhere in the middle. So I'm going to quick draw this line in, just so it's there. It goes from here. Uh-oh. Erase, try that again. Let's do T for tape measure, straight down blue, that's what I did wrong, 6 inches. L for line, that's better. I'm going to draw a line across. Here's my mark on the ground. Okay. It may not work, but we'll try it. Go for orbit. Space bar kills the command. Click to pick it up. Alright, I got it. To move it, it's a move tool. Move tool. I said I want to put the middle of this on the middle of this. So I'm going to just click the move tool, hover over here, and can I find the middle? See the little red spot appears there, the red dot, red X? If I grab right by that little red X, that's the midpoint of that. So I grab the middle of that, click, I got it. Okay, and I put that, come over here. Uh-oh, where's it at? I missed. Try it again. Oh, I see. I see. So I'm grabbing by the TV, not by the back. Because my TV is slanted. See this here? Oops, orbit. It's leaning. I grab the back, it's going to stab into the wall. That'd be bad, wouldn't it? So, I gotta be kind of clever here. If I put a middle, let's come straight green for like 2 and 3 inches. Like a small little wall anchor. Now if I go back to move, and I grab the middle, where's it at? There it went. There's the midpoint of group. Pick it up there. Now I go to that line I created, and I'll plug it on that line. Keep zooming forward. Uh-oh. There's a line. Now I'm on it. So to zoom through my object to get to that line. I'm there. I click. I'll back off, and I'll check it out. Move for orbit. So it's on my wall. It's not dug in, not sunk in. I now have my TV on the wall, and it looks like it's hung. So again, you gotta find the component, find an anchor point, and put it on an anchor point. Okay. If I want to go back to find some more, I can do that if I wanted to all day. Go to components. If you want to have a chair, there's only 4,000 pages of chairs. So find one, park it. Here's the weird part. I want to spin this chair. Well, you would walk up to the chair, you'd grab it, and you'd pivot it on the floor. Right? You wouldn't pick it up and spin it, set it down. You'd walk up to it, grab the chair, and turn it. Same thing here too. To turn things, I need to use the rotate tool. Rotate tool. Okay? But don't click yet. The rotate tool. Okay. So right now, this little protractor I have is my means turning things. I want to have it being blue, which means it's laying flat on the ground. I don't want to grab my chair. It makes it all crazy. I can grab next to my chair, real close next to it. As long as it's still blue, click to drop it. Okay, now it's dropped. I'm going to click and grab onto some kind of a point out in space, doesn't matter where. If I grab here, click, I can pivot that chair on that spot. I want my chair to turn 90 degrees, 180 degrees, to face the TV. So I'm watching my angle, bottom corner of my screen, type in 180, enter, there it is. And I move the chair, same thing, move for the TV, you the move button, pick a corner. So I'm going to have the chair's foot be my corner. So I've got the foot of the chair, click, zoom back in, and we'll go inside my, I'm stabbed to the floor, it's sunk in the floor, get it out of the floor. Should say on face. On face means it's on the surface of that spot. Let's put the chair right in front, not in the TV, not too close, maybe offside a little bit. We'll drop it maybe here. If I want to turn the chair a little bit to have a better TV angle, same thing. Rotate, rotate, set it on, grab, pivot it a little bit, just a teeny bit. There we go. So you can see having that roof off, we can see inside easier and move things around. I need more furnishing than this. Maybe a little table to put like my snacks on. Maybe I'll bring a small fridge. Do they have fridges? I bet they do. Let's do small fridge. Like they have them. Hey, pop machines. That'd be fun. Scrap those in if you want. Maybe I want to have my own little ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Have it like parked next to my. Oh, nice. I could have this parked next to my. Look at that. Maybe parked out here somewhere. Kinda park it somewhere. Maybe here. Let's rotate that from the ground. 180. 180. Let's move that closer. There we go. So now when I wait for the bus, I grab a snack. Oh, it's in the air, isn't it? Gotta fix that. So furnish the whole thing. Maybe some plants, maybe some lamps, maybe some lighting. Get those. And then also paint it. Okay, so paint the exterior, paint the interior, paint the floor. Fully furnish. Add the stuff. But if the truck is hovering, that we don't want to happen. Okay, checkpoint number 3 or 4. 3.